Tapos, maghahanap tayo ng isang sperm donor kung saan fertilize yung egg niya para maging embryo. So, ito na yung embryo na nabubuo yung, pwedeng magbuo ng isang bata. At i-implant siya sa akin para ako yung mag-nurture doon sa embryo para maging baby.
Kuya, meron bang nurture?
He's relieved that may nakuhang magagandang eggs from him. Gumagana na pala yung ovaries niya. So, happy siya.
Ano yung expect mo? I mean, ano gusto mo naging babae? Ano ba?
Of course ako, I've experienced having a girl. So, it would be nice to have another girl. Pero, of course, ang sarap din siguro malaman how it feels like to have a boy. Tapos, si Ice gusto boy. So, kahit anong gender, basta healthy, basta normal, sana mabuo.
I'm excited to expect that
I know, thank you.
Ano lang yung siguro yung message mo sa lahat? I'm curious and also
Siguro,
hindi focus na gusto magkaroon.
Siguro ang gusto kong pasalamatan is lahat ng nagbigay ng support. Alam mo, I've never experienced getting private messages. May mga nagpadala pa ng mga simple tokens kasi marami rin palang mga couples yung may ganong klaseng journey na pinagdadaanan. And hindi pala siya madali. You know, it's really a difficult process kasi it's so personal. And for them to see na kami, we're here and we're really committing to it. Ang daming natuwa. And then of course, yung LGBT community na gusto rin nilang, pangarap din nila lang magkaroon ng anak. Pangarap din nila na magkaroon ng impossibility na mabuo yung family nila. So for them, it's naging inspiration pala yung ginagawa namin. For them to see na, oh, it's possible. So ang daming nagtatanong sa amin ng process. Grabe, paano daw? Magkano? Ayun. So, we're always responding to all their inquiries kasi parang yun pala yun, yung magandang nangyari kasi na-curious yung mga tao more than nag-judge. So, marami pa rin negative pero mas nararamdaman namin yung support. So, parang ibang klase. Nag-iiba na talaga yung society natin when it comes to the LGBT journey and experiences. Mas nagiging accepting sila, tsaka mas nagiging supportive sila na, we're just like any family, we all want the same thing. So, thank you sa lahat na nagbigay ng support.
Thank you so much.